Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a compatible phone and a working Type-C to 3. 5mm adapter. Start now by confirming digital audio support in settings or the manufacturer notes. Once done, power on your device and clear any dirt from ports. Use compressed air or a soft brush. Next, plug the adapter firmly into the phone's Type-C port. Make sure it seats fully and doesn't wobble. If prompted, choose the adapter or wired audio output as the active device so you can proceed to playback testing. With the adapter attached, you plug your headphones into the 3.5mm jack and then check the phone's sound output selection so the system recognizes wired audio. You should play music, voice notes, and a stereo test to verify left and right channels. Adjust volume gradually to avoid loud spikes. If audio is low, make sure any equalizer or Dolby settings aren't muting frequencies, and try another app to rule out software-level mute. This isolates whether it's hardware or an app. To finish, secure the connection and avoid bending the adapter to prolong life. Use a short cable or mount to relieve tension. If you don't hear audio, make sure volume is up, then reboot the phone and reconnect. This often resolves driver or recognition glitches. Once rebooted, test the adapter on a different compatible device. If it fails there too, replace the adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: swap headphones to rule out a bad plug before condemning the adapter or phone port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.